Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm going to highlight a new arrival to the lot, stock number CP17398AT. It's a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country mobility van. Has an Amerivan side entry mobility ramp on there. Got power sliding doors. Push of a button and you can open the door here. Close it back with another push. Push of the button, you can open up your rear tailgate here. Got plenty of storage space back here. Your jack storage area is built into the wall, which is nice. Again, push the button and you can shut that up. And come around to the passenger side for the wheelchair van. Hit the button twice, it's going to open up. The van's on a lower to the side here to make that angle a little bit easier to navigate in the wheelchair. And then the lift's going to come out. Once inside, you got plenty of space for the chair. You got the smart track in the floor to tie the chair down. This has the removable driver and passenger seat, so you can step on that there, step on that there and remove the driver's seat or the passenger. Once you come out in the wheelchair, it's simple procedure again. Just hit the two buttons. It's going to go up. The van will raise back up and level out, and then the door will shut. Inside this van is really clean. Whoever owned this took good care of it on the inside. It's in great shape. The carpets you can see are almost perfect. The seat is almost perfect. You have touchscreen radio with Sirius XM satellite radio. All your thermostat controls here. The iconic Chrysler analog clock. Push button start. Cruise control settings on your steering wheel. Bluetooth for your hands-free phone calls on your steering wheel. Power mirrors, windows, and locks, if you can see over here. Again, we're looking at stock number CP17398AT. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, or give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thanks for watching.